Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony and this is TC's Outdoors, and we're back in the wood yard. KIOTI CK3510. We've got the wood wagon's already out here, and so is the Eastonmade 1222. Just got done getting everything set up. So if you saw a couple videos ago, I was out here splitting, and I've got the standard 6-way wedge in the Eastonmade 1222 because I'm splitting down some more oak just for heating wood for me. But as I was splitting all that, if you remember, this was all full of rounds down here, down to there, and 2 rows out. So I got the majority of that split, but I wanted to know how long it takes me to split a third of a cord just by myself at a normal pace. This isn't like a challenge. I'm not trying to hustle or anything. I just want to know like a pace that I could keep up with, kind of so that I could base my pricing on home heating wood if I decide to go that direction ever, because the market's crazy in my area. So anywhere from $60 to $110 is what Facebook Marketplace, all the firewood ads out there, and for $60 there's no way I would do it. I'm not real sure. I'm hoping that maybe, if it's 20 minutes, if I can get a cord an hour split by myself, that's pretty good. I'm making okay money if I sold it for $100 a face cord. You got to figure in buying the wood. So I bought these logs. These logs was $700, and I think I'll end up with like 18 to 22 face cords is what he said. So if I kind of hit the middle and we say 20, I think that's around $35 a face cord that I'm paying. So I've got to be able to at least double my money in order to make it worth it. So I guess this would be a good little test, good little experiment to do. And it's a beautiful day here. The weather is crazy this year, but I think we won't even hit 70 today. We were 94, I don't know, 4 days ago, and now we're back down in the 60s, which I'll take 60. It's a good splitting weather. But I need to do a quick mail call, overdue mail call, by the way. Sorry about that. And so let me get you guys set up, and we'll get over to the other side of the splitter, and we'll do our mail call, and then I'll get the splitter warmed up, and we'll get to splitting. So here we go. Alright, so like I mentioned, this is a long overdue sticker swap that I did with Brandon over at McCamey Farms and Outdoors. And sorry Brandon, I kind of lost track of this. It was sitting in the house and it got caught up in the shuffle. I just found it the other day. So real quick, while we're out here with the splitter, I want to get this on. If you haven't seen Brandon's channel, you should go check it out. I will throw a link in the description for sure. He does all kinds of great stuff over there. He's building his own sawmill. He built his own bundler, which is awesome. He's got, he just cut some hay not too long ago. So he's doing all kinds of stuff over there. So you guys should go check him out. But let's see if we can get on there straight. All right, how's it look? All right, so we're gonna get the splitter fired up, get it greased up, and we'll be back in a second, so stand by. there is the pile. All split. Do have a little bit on the ground I got to pick up here, but there's the time, or close to it anyways. 24 minutes and 9 seconds, and that's with probably a minute or so of looking for the phone. I set it on top of the hydraulic tank when I got started, and that probably wasn't the best idea because it probably stayed there for a minute or two and slid off, vibrated off, fell on the ground, got it covered up with stuff, and took me a second to find it. But either way, I found it, and so we'll take a minute off for that, and another minute for maybe moving the cameras. But 22 minutes, not terrible, I don't think. One guy and the face cord is split. We went from that face cord of rounds that was there to that heaping pile of firewood on the trailer. So that is a pretty good 22 minutes if you ask me. And I think I'm about 20 minutes faster than I was with the county line. I looked this morning, I think it was like 42 minutes it took me and Austin to do the face cord challenge that Heath put out quite a while ago with the county line splitter, and that was just throwing it on the ground, half of it. So this, I touched the majority of it and threw it up on the trailer, so that definitely took some time. But I think I could probably sell firewood, home heating wood, and be able to make a little profit doing it if I decided to go that direction. So that's pretty cool. I won't know for sure until I do some cutting. I got to do that next probably. We'll get the saws and the KIOTI out here, and we will see how long it takes me to cut and stack a face cord of rounds. I know you don't have to stack them, but I prefer to stack them. So but that's my process. So I guess, you know, I should time the whole thing is the way I look at it. Not cut any corners, not trying to trick anybody or trick myself, really. I want to have a good baseline of how much I could make money, or how much money I could make, I guess. This is probably the normal human being way to say it. I want to see how much money I could make if I was going to sell firewood with my process. So either way, I appreciate you guys coming along. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I had fun making this video. It's kind of fun to get out here once in a while and, you know, push the machine a little bit and see where I'm at. Just test it out. This is the first run from the other side too. Normally I don't run this splitter from the log lift side. It's not bad. I don't really love tripping over it, but with one guy, I guess there's probably no faster way. So, and all the rounds were really manageable. Wasn't bad. So either way, so come on back. We'll do some cutting next time. But until then, enjoy the rest of your day. It was nice talking to you. Take care. We'll see you.